What's going on, world? It's Dalton from Lad Dental Group, and as you can see, we have a special guest here. It is the Lad Dental Tooth right here, and we have just taken this out of the bag. What do you guys think about this? So, this little special giddy-up will be broken out on Saturday at the 2018 Wabash Valley Charity Chili Cookoff. So this is something that's just another event that we can give back to the community at large. Again, we've been in the Wabash community now for 9 years and serving North Central Indiana for the past 40 years. So we just try and do this as a good way to get to know the community, to interact with the community, maybe give the community another reason to smile, no pun intended. So yeah, just another way that we're a family serving families. And please reach out if we can ever help in any way. We care more than just teeth. We want these communities that we serve to be as healthy and strong as possible. So I hope everybody has a great day, and please come out to the Wabash County Chili Cook-Off this Saturday. It starts at 9, but I believe the chili starts being served at noon. And our recipe, I don't want to reveal any secrets, no trade secrets here, but it should be pretty fire. So check us out. Please let us know if we can help in any way.